Alright, today I've already pieced a quilt top together. I am putting the border on it. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get the rest of it done. Alright, this morning I am putting 3 bindings borders on this. I'm putting a second one on this morning. I hope everybody's doing okay this morning. I'm going to have a 6-inch border with these 3 pieces. I'll bring you back when I get ready to put the other one. Alright, I'm going to put the third border on here now. It's going to be pretty. I've got 3 different colors borders on here. ready to put the backing and the batting on. All right, I've got through making piecing my top together, and I've got it borders on it. But there it is. It took me about 3 days to make this. So, but I hadn't got it quilted yet. But I'm going to go ahead and download this video so you can see it. But I'll show you what the borders I put on it. I put 3 strips of around here. That looks good with that. All right. If you like my video, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell when you want to be notified when I got a video. Let me get over here. Get to the foot of the bed. But that's what it looks like. Yo, if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much for watching.